In the heart of the vibrant marketplace, a young baker with a gift for bread making, but a penchant for chatter, struggles to draw in customers. From the shadows, an aged figure watches the young baker's struggles, her eyes filled with unspoken wisdom. Amelia's animated gestures and ceaseless chatter drive away customers, overshadowing the allure of her legendary bread. Leaning in close, the old woman imparts cryptic advice to Amelia, her words a whisper of ancient secrets. A newfound stillness settles over Amelia as she watches customers pass by, her mind filled with the old woman's words. The once lively bakery now stands in hushed serenity, the aroma of freshly baked bread replacing Amelia's incessant chatter. Enchanted by the newfound tranquility, customers sample Amelia's bread with smiles of approval, the taste speaking louder than any words. A shadowy figure lurks outside, their eyes filled with envy as they witness Amelia's burgeoning success with a mix of admiration and spite. Under the shroud of darkness, the rival baker maliciously tampers with Amelia's supplies, their actions a threat to her newfound tranquility. Oblivious to the impending danger, Amelia serves her bread with a genuine smile, her focus solely on her craft and customers. Defeated by Amelia's unwavering dedication, the rival baker extends an olive branch of peace, acknowledging her talent and resilience. Amidst the hustle and bustle of the marketplace, Amelia's bakery thrives, filled with contented customers savoring her bread in the serene ambiance she has carefully crafted.